You've been using AI to write your texts, but everyone can tell. Not because AI is bad, but because your texts have clear signs that give it away immediately. Today I'll show you 4 of them, from obvious to ones you've probably never noticed. Let's go. Sign number 1, and the most obvious, emojis. AI loves emojis. Every sentence gets 1, sometimes 2. No real person writes like this. If your text looks like a rainbow of icons, it's an instant giveaway. The fix? Simple. Remove most of them. 1 or 2 max, or none at all. Sign number 2, the way AI actually writes. There are certain phrases AI uses constantly. Certainly, great question. In conclusion, it's important to note that. Sound familiar? These phrases feel polished, but completely soulless. Real people don't start emails with certainly. And AI always writes in perfect structure. Introduction, 3 points, conclusion. Every single time. Humans are messier than that. The fix? Read your text out loud. If it sounds like a robot, rewrite those sentences in your own voice. Sign number 3, and this one is subtle. The long dash, the M dash. See the difference? AI uses the M dash constantly, in almost every sentence. Real people almost never use it. Most don't even know how to type it. Next time you read an AI text, look for it. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. The fix? Replace it with a comma, a normal dash, or restructure the sentence. Sign number 4, and this is the one most people have never heard of, hidden characters. When AI generates text, it sometimes leaves invisible Unicode characters between words. 0 with spaces, special Unicode dashes, invisible markers. You can't see them with the naked eye, but AI detection tools can. Some researchers even believe these act as watermarks, a way to trace text back to a specific AI model. To check your text, paste it into a Unicode character detector. I'll show you right here. See these highlighted characters? A human would never produce those. The fix? Copy your text into a plain text editor, or use a tool to strip hidden Unicode characters before publishing. So there you have it, 4 signs that give away AI-written text. Emojis, robotic phrases, the M dash, and hidden Unicode characters. Now you know what to look for, and how to fix it. If you found this useful, leave a like and subscribe. I post new AI tips and tricks every week. See you in the next one.